Good morning, students. Welcome back to this new video. Last video you have seen how to find out the profit and loss in incomplete records. That is the formula given there. No, see, profit and loss is equal to closing capital plus drawings minus additional capital minus opening capital. So this is the formula to find out the profit and loss. Okay, today we are going to see the sums regarding this. See, usually we are writing this finding out the profit and loss account through a statement method. This is a statement. Okay, see, based on this statement we will find out the profit and loss account. Here first, see, capital at the end, then add drawings during the year, less additional capital, then you will get a adjusted capital, then less opening capital, you will get a profit and loss for the year. So this is the statement method to find out the profit or loss. See, first one, capital at the end, add drawings, add additional capital, then you will get adjusted capital. Then from the adjusted capital you have to subtract opening capital, you will get a profit and loss account. If any figure missing in this statement, you can find out easily. Okay, so we can go to the first illustration. See the first illustration in your book. Take out, all of you take out your book. Then you can see the first illustration there. Let me read the question. See, illustration number 1. From the following particulars, ascertain profit and loss account. Capital at the beginning, 1st April, 2 lakhs. Capital at the end, March 31st, 3,50,000. Additional capital introduced, 70,000. Drawings during there, 40,000. So all these items are given there. Capital at the end, capital in the beginning, then additional capital, drawings. So based on this statement, we can prepare profit and loss statement. So you will get a profit and loss for the year. That is profit and loss account during the year. First of all of you copy down this statement. Then we can go to the sum. Here all items are given now. See, here we can substitute the amounts which are given there. See, first one, what is given there? Closing capital. That is given in the question now. How much is the closing capital? 3,50,000. 50,000. That is given in the question. Then the next one is add drawings. How much is the drawings? That is given as 40,000. So you will get 3,90,000. Okay. Then next one, less additional capital during the year. How much is the additional capital during the year? That is 70,000. So if you are subtracting this one, you will get 3,20,000. Then opening capital is also given in the question now. Opening at the beginning, 2 lakhs. See, adjusted capital is 3,20,000, then opening capital is 2 lakh. If you are subtracting these two, you will get 1,20,000. This is the profit or loss during the year. This is plus. If it is coming as minus, that is loss. Here there is profit. So this is the method to find out the statement of profit or loss. Let me read the second exercise. Let me read first exercise, that is capital at the beginning, 1st April 2018, 5 lakh. Capital at the end, 31st March 8,50,000. Additional capital introduced during the year 1,20,000. Drawings during the year 70,000. So now we are going to find out the profit. Okay, see the board. That is a ending capital is 8,50,000. Then drawings during the year 70,000. So add these two. So you will get 9,20,000. Then less additional capital, that is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. So if you are subtracting that one, you will get 8 lakhs. Then less opening capital. Opening capital is 5 lakh given in the question. So you will get 3 lakh. So this is the profit during the year. I think all of you understood well. If anybody having any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment box. Okay. So this is the first exercise as well as illustration. First you learn the statement. The statement already I show no. First you learn that. Then you start doing the sums. Read the exercise 2, second exercise. Capital as on 1st January 2,20,000. Capital on 31st December 1,80,000. Then additional capital introduced during their 40,000. Drawings made during their 50,000. Now we are going to find out the profit or loss based on the same statement. Okay. See, closing capital 1,80,000. Then drawings given is 50,000. Now we can add these two, you will get 2,30,000. Then what is the additional capital? That is 40,000. If you are subtracting, you will get 1,90,000 is the adjusted capital. Then less opening capital. How much is opening capital? 2,20,000. See here, the additional adjusted capital is less than opening capital. Then you subtract and find out the answer, that is 30,000. This 30,000 is not the profit. This is the loss during the year. Okay. This is the loss during the year. This is minus no coming. Cannot subtract this one. That is adjusted capital should be the highest amount. Here adjusted capital is less than opening capital. So if you subtract 2,20,000 minus 1,90,000, you will get 30,000. This is loss, not profit. So loss during the year 30,000. Okay. See, 1,80,000. Add drawings during the year 50,000. You will get 2,30,000. Then less additional capital. 1,90,000 is the adjusted capital. Less opening capital 2,20,000. Then loss during the year is 30,000. Okay, here there is no profit. Last sum we got profit. Here you got, if it is plus, that is profit. If it is minus, that is loss. Okay, thank you students. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, all of you subscribe this video. Then only you will get the notifications. If you like, put a like, press like button. Then if there is any comment, put in the comment box. Thank you once again.